Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save draft reels on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're on Facebook, tap on the three horizontal lines menu or your profile picture. From there, tap on your name or profile picture to go to your Facebook profile page. Next, scroll down and tap on the Reels option, located below your profile picture and bio. You'll see all the reels you've created so far. At the top of the Reels section, tap on Create Reel to start a new one. Now, you'll be taken to your device's gallery, where you can select one or more photos and videos for your reel. Once you've chosen, you'll be directed to the editing screen, where you can add music, effects, stickers, text, and more. After editing, tap Next. On the next screen, you can add details like a description, location, tag people, and more. Once everything looks good, tap the Download button at the bottom. A pop-up will appear with two options, and here's where you select Save as Draft. That's it. Your reel will now be saved in your drafts for up to 60 days before being automatically removed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.